Are factories and warehousing accessible for large delivery vehicles and trucks? With industrial operations, accommodating large delivery vehicles and trucks within factories and warehousing is pivotal. Commercial Property Finder have a diverse portfolio across Gauteng and understands the importance of this aspect for seamless logistics. Logistics are central to success in manufacturing and distribution. Smooth movement in and out of these spaces significantly impacts overall business performance. Industrial properties vary, and so do their accessibility options. While most factories and warehousing can accommodate large vehicles, specifics differ. Consider these possibilities: entry and exit points. Industrial parks offer various access points. Some have multiple gates for smooth traffic, while others use a single access point for entry and exit. Loading bays. Loading bays differ. Some align with truck heights, and others offer drive-through convenience, all enhancing efficiency. Size. Flexibility. Larger spaces easily accommodate big trucks, but smaller industrial parks may suit smaller trucks better. Choosing your ideal space involves understanding your needs. Evaluate your logistics, delivery frequency, vehicle types, and operations. Commercial Property Finder is ready to assist you in finding the perfect factory or warehouse space that aligns with your accessibility needs. Your logistics journey towards success starts here.